Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is about Summer Vanity Luxury Products Edition. So I'm gonna tell you all the luxury products that you can put in your vanity for this summer, which is sweat friendly and is not gonna cause a lot of kind of pilling on your skin, and they're gonna really last you long during this kind of humid weather. Okay, now let's begin with the primer first. And the OG primer, whenever anyone hears primer, the first name that comes to mind is Smashbox OG Photo Finish Primer. So this primer kind of covers your pores and gives this smooth blurring finish to the skin and is used majorly by makeup artists across the globe. And another one that you can try is Charlotte Flawless Hollywood filter. This is going to give your skin the glowy kind of effect. Okay, and next we can go for corrector. To correct your under eye or your acne marks, you can use Huda Beauties for filter corrector. Okay, and the next is foundation. I would really love you guys to try the NARS Radiant Longwear foundation. This foundation is like literally second skin. It's gonna work so well on your skin, whether it's dry, whether it's normal. It kind of suits all the skin types, so you can really use it this summer. And the next we are going for is concealer. So one concealer that everyone is talking about right now, and they should, is Natasha Denona's High Glam Concealer. This concealer is performing so well. I think it has also won several beauty awards. The formula, the wear, the stay, everything is really, really good. And plus, it's hydrating. It's not gonna cause a lot of creasing under your eye and is perfect for this summer. Next comes the powder. Powder, you can get Laura Mercier's loose setting powder. This is gonna go very well with your Natasha Denona's concealer, and it's gonna set your face pretty well. Do not skip this part. People generally think that powder is not necessary. It's gonna make your skin look cakey. No, it's really gonna lock your makeup in and have it last like really long. So after powder, we can go to eyeshadows. Eyeshadow, you can buy Huda Beauty mini palette, any color that you pick according to your preferences that you use on the daily, on the go. And this palette has creamy shades also, this has powder shades also, this has shimmer shades also, so you can pick according to your own preference. After eyeshadow, we come to the eyeliner. Now eyeliner, I have a little bit unique recommendation here. Lancome's Grandiose liner. So this liner is very different than other because it has this bent wand and kind of a ball and socket joint, and you can bend it according to your hand, and gives like a really precise application to your eyeliner, and the payoff is really good, the color is really good, the stay is really good. And Lancome obviously is a really good brand, and they have come up with this amazing liner. You should definitely give it a try. Coming on to the mascara, you can try Benefits. They're real lengthening mascara. It gives it like really lengthening effect, the good finish, and doesn't clump your lashes at all. Coming on to your contour, you can use Makeup Forever Face Powder Sculpt. It's Makeup Forever is like a professional brand for professional makeup artists, but I would really recommend you to add this to your vanity. It's going to give you that really nice bronzy effect and a little bit of sculpting on your cheeks. Next comes blush and highlighter. I would recommend you using a shimmer blush because otherwise sometimes it gets patchy. The highlighter forms a separate streak on your face. So using a blush which is mixed with highlighter gives you that really natural radiant effect. I would recommend you use Max Mineralized blush. It is a combo of highlighter and the blush pigment, and it's going to give you a really nice and beautiful finish. And the next we are coming on to lip liner. Lip liner, you can use Max Lip Pencil in the shade Mahogany. It's going to go with all of your lip combos, and it's going to complement the Indian skin tone, whether really fair or on the deeper side, really well. And with the lipstick, I think one lipstick that you should really have in your vanity is MAC Burnt Spice lipstick. it is this one shade that is really versatile, that can go with the day as well as the night looks, with Indian or Western outfits. Anywhere you are going, this lipstick is gonna create this really beautiful nudie effect on your lips and is gonna look amazing. Finishing off with lip gloss, I personally love Fenty glosses and I have a bias to them. There are a lot of glosses out there. You can go for Charlotte, you can go for NARS, but I personally love Fenty glosses. So you can pick any Fenty gloss according to your choice and it's gonna go really well. But if you're going with this particular lip combo, that is lip pencil in mahogany from MAC and burnt spice lipstick again from MAC, kindly use Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Universal. It's gonna complement the lipstick so much and not gonna kind of wash it out at all. Just give you that really nice glow. Okay, guys, so this was all for your luxury summer vanity. Do let me know how you like this video. Also, I'm gonna put all the links in the description below. You can check it out and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.